Have you ever wondered what happens in your body while you sleep? Beyond just feeling rested, sleep is a powerful biological process that fuels healing and restoration on a molecular level. Let's take a closer look at the fascinating connection between sleep and healing. First, let's talk about the brain. While you're asleep, your brain is hard at work consolidating memories and pruning unnecessary neural connections, kind of like cleaning out an overstuffed closet. This happens during deep sleep, also known as slow-wave sleep, when your brain processes and stores information you've gathered throughout the day. During this time, the brain's glymphatic system also kicks into gear, clearing out harmful waste products like beta amyloid, which has been linked to Alzheimer's disease. Think of it as your brain's nightly detox session. But it's not just your brain that benefits from sleep. Your body also goes into repair mode. Growth hormone, often called the body's natural healer, is released in pulses during deep sleep. This hormone helps rebuild tissues, grow muscles, and regenerate cells, essential for healing after injuries or physical stress. Meanwhile, sleep keeps your stress hormone, cortisol, in check. Balanced cortisol levels are crucial for a healthy immune system and effective healing. Speaking of immunity, sleep is when your body's defenses are at their strongest. Specialized proteins called cytokines are produced during sleep to regulate immune responses and control inflammation. These cytokines help fight infections and repair tissue damage, making sleep essential for recovery. On a molecular level, sleep is when your cells undergo critical repairs. DNA damage, caused by daily stress and toxins, is fixed by enzymes during this time. Proteins are also synthesized to rebuild tissues and support overall cellular health. Even your cell's powerhouses, the mitochondria, get a boost. During sleep, they repair themselves and recycle damaged components, ensuring your body has the energy it needs to function and heal. Every stage of sleep plays a unique role in healing. During deep non-REM sleep, blood flow increases to muscles, delivering oxygen and nutrients for repair. Meanwhile, REM sleep focuses on emotional healing and stress recovery, repairing brain circuits and enhancing your resilience. So, what happens if you don't get enough sleep? Healing slows down. Wounds take longer to recover, immune defenses weaken, and chronic conditions like pain or inflammation can worsen. Sleep deprivation affects not just your body but your emotional well-being too. To optimize your sleep for healing, aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality rest each night. Stick to a consistent sleep schedule, eat nutrient-rich foods like those high in tryptophan and magnesium, and create a relaxing sleep environment. Sleep isn't just rest, it's recovery. From repairing DNA to boosting immunity, your body relies on quality sleep to heal and thrive. So tonight, as you drift off, remember that you're giving your body and mind the care they deserve. Prioritize your sleep. Prioritize your health. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more insights into the wonders of the human body.